Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be showing you how to display your suggested shortcuts in Chrome on your PC. Suggested shortcuts can make your browsing experience even more personalized and convenient. So, let's dive into the steps to enable this feature. Step 1. Start by opening Chrome on your PC. Locate the Chrome icon and give it a click. Step 2. Once Chrome is open, head to the bottom right corner of the window. Look for the Customize Chrome button and click on it. Step 3. A menu will appear. Scroll down until you find Shortcuts. Click on it to access the shortcut settings. Step 4. In the shortcut settings, you'll see an option to show shortcuts. Toggle the switch to turn it on. Step 5. Finally, click on Most Visited Sites to display your suggested shortcuts, and there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can easily show your suggested shortcuts in Chrome on your PC. Enjoy a more personalized and efficient browsing experience. Thanks for watching.